Welcome to Health Updates. If you like this video, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe. Fruits are incredibly rich in anti-inflammatory compounds. These compounds play a pivotal role in safeguarding our body against numerous chronic diseases including, but not limited to, heart ailments, diabetes, and specific types of cancer and bowel disease. To harness the maximum benefits of these fruits, nutritionists recommend consuming a diverse mix, amounting to at least 1.5 to 2 cups every day. This regular intake can significantly enhance antioxidant activity within our body, which combats damaging free radicals. Though all fruits are packed with nutrients that act as a shield against diseases, there are certain fruits that have garnered special attention from nutritionists and health enthusiasts for their pronounced anti-inflammatory benefits. Today, we'll cover the top 6. 1. Berries. These little wonders of nature, ranging from strawberries and blackberries to cranberries and blueberries, are treasures of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to being a rich source of fiber and vitamin C, they are teeming with plant-derived chemical compounds like anthocyanins and ellagic acid. Such compounds are believed to be the powerhouses behind the health benefits of berries. Multiple research initiatives have drawn correlations between heightened berry consumption and diminished risks of ailments such as heart disease, Alzheimer's, and diabetes. 2. Apples. The age-old adage about an apple a day keeping the doctor away might be rooted in genuine health benefits. A comprehensive study that spanned nearly 35,000 women deduced that consistent consumption of apples, and their close relatives pears, correlated with reduced mortality due to heart disease. These fruits owe their benefits to constituents like fiber, vitamin C, pectin, and polyphenols, which have demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties and fostering a healthy gut microbiome in animal-based studies. 3. Stone fruits. This category, which includes cherries, peaches, apricots, and plums, is replete with fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and an assortment of color-associated phytochemicals. For instance, cherries have been a focal point in many research endeavors and have been associated with improvements in blood sugar levels, cholesterol, and blood pressure. Certain studies even allude to benefits such as alleviated post-exercise pain and diminished risk of gout flare-ups. These advantages are likely attributed to cherries' rich content of phenolic compounds known for their anti-inflammatory effects. 4. Grapes. These juicy, bite-sized fruits are a treasure trove of nutrients such as fiber, vitamins C and K, and potent phytochemicals, with resveratrol in red grapes being particularly notable. There's a reason why moderate consumption of red wine, which contains grapes, is often linked to cardiac health. A comprehensive, multi-ethnic study that tracked 3,300 middle-aged women over 7 years found that those who consumed wine moderately had significantly reduced inflammation markers as opposed to those who abstained or consumed less. Nonetheless, it's paramount to approach wine consumption with caution, as even moderate drinking has been linked to increased cancer risk. A balanced approach would be for those who already savor wine to enjoy it in moderation, a drink a day for women and a maximum of 2 for men. However, initiating drinking purely for its alleged health merits is not advised. 5. Citrus. The citrus family, comprising oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes, is synonymous with vitamin C. However, their nutritional profile doesn't end there. They're also endowed with fiber, potassium, calcium, B vitamins, copper, and a spectrum of anti-inflammatory phytochemicals like flavonoids and carotenoids. While extensive human-centric research is still underway, the nutrients found in citrus have demonstrated heart protective effects, notably improvements in blood cholesterol, sugar, and vessel functionality. 6. Pomegranates. These fruits, bursting with countless tiny seeds, are more than just a vibrant addition to a fruit bowl. They're densely packed with vitamins C and K, potassium, fiber, and potent phytochemicals like anthocyanin and resveratrol. A comprehensive review of research in 2020 unveiled pomegranates' potential in maintaining optimal levels of blood pressure, cholesterol, and sugar. Incorporating a diverse array of fruits into our daily diets isn't just a culinary adventure, but a step towards holistic well-being. Remember, each fruit carries its unique symphony of benefits, harmonizing perfectly with our body's needs. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. Thanks for watching and remember to stay healthy.